So if you want to put your own ringtone on the car, either get an MP3 or download the ringtone online, put it on your USB stick. Once it's on your USB stick, go to apps, go to files, go to your USB stick, click on it, hold, go top right, move to, top left, move to the car, and then pick the ringtones folder, then press move. Okay, then we go to the car, settings, sound, all the way to the bottom, ringtone, choose your ringtone, and press OK. The other way you can do it is open a browser in the car. Vivaldi won't work. Download your ringtone. Download. Have to wait 15 seconds on Zedge while they show you an advert. Download with Firefox. It's downloaded. We don't want to open it. Now go to files. You've just downloaded it to the car, so go to the car, go to downloads. There's the ringtone. Select it, and you want to move it over here. Move to top left, go to the car again, go to the ringtones folder and press move. Then do exactly the same again. Go to the car, go to settings, sound, all the way to the bottom, ringtone, choose the new ringtone. I don't know what I just downloaded. I think it's that one. And press OK. That's it.